In this video, you will learn how to use a military discount on Amazon. Log into your Amazon account, sign into your existing Amazon account, or create a new one if you do not have one yet. Go to Amazon military discount page, navigate to the military discount or promotions section where Amazon feels you're eligible for offers if you are part of the military. Verify your military status. Follow the prompts to verify your active duty, or if you're a veteran, or family military. Select the military discount offers. Choose the discounts available for military members. This could be linked through Amazon Prime or other promotions. Once your status is verified, apply for the discount to your account. The verified discount will be applied to your account, usually with a reduced rate for Amazon Prime and extra and other benefits for you. Complete your purchase. Shopping as usual on Amazon will give you the military discount, which will automatically apply when you check out. Now you know how to use the military discount on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.